Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 only works when plugged in, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to a failing battery or a faulty charging circuit. If left unaddressed, you may find yourself entirely reliant on a power outlet, limiting your device's portability and convenience. To resolve this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery compatible with the Acer N19H2, and some anti-static wrist straps to prevent any damage from static electricity. To begin the repair, ensure you turn off your device completely and unplug it from any power source. Start by using the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover of the Acer N19H2. Take your time here to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Once you've removed the back cover, locate the battery, which is typically found at the center of the device. Inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or damage. This is often the culprit behind the charging issues. To extract the battery, you will need to unscrew the screw securing it in place, usually with a Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep these screws safe as you will need them for the new battery. Gently lift the battery out of its compartment, being cautious not to disturb any nearby components. Disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard, ensuring you do not pull on the wires too hard. When replacing it with the new battery, carefully connect the new battery's connector to the motherboard, ensuring it is secure. Once everything is in place, replace the screws and reattach the back cover of the device. Press down firmly to ensure it snaps into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, before concluding, it's wise to test your device. Plug it in and see if it charges correctly. If the battery indicator reflects that it's charging, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis, and ensure your device is kept in a cool, dry place. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.